तो बेसिक टेक्निकल एनालिसिस क्या है बेसिक? तो इन द बेसिक टेक्निकल एनालिसिस it contains means many type of chart. This is one of the chart. This is called as candlestick chart. Okay, there are other types of also candlestick. So you will if you want to learn any basic technical analysis, this is the best website, investing.com. Okay, in the investing.com you can type anything, any chart related to any company. Like I want to see Reliance chart. So you can see here in the Reliance. Then you can put on the click on the chart here. Okay. Then if you want to see the candlestick chart, it will be appear like this. Then from this drop down menu, you can change this to the line chart. This is the line chart. Okay. Then this is candles. Then this is bar. This is Heikenesse candles. Okay. Then this is bar candles. Okay. So there are many types from this drop down menu, but the best one is this, the candlestick chart. Okay, this is the best one. So normally everyone use this candlestick chart only. Okay, so now what is this candlestick chart? Okay, what is the green candle and what is the red candle? So ये green candle मतलब क्या है? ये bullish है. Okay, bullish मतलब price यहाँ पे open हुई, यहाँ पे close हुई. ठीक है, तो ये कैंडल क्या होगी? बुलिश हो गई. सिमिलरली ये रेड क्या है? ये बेरिश कैंडल है. ठीक है, प्राइस यहाँ पे ओपन हुई, यहाँ पे क्लोज हुई. ठीक है, तो उसमें क्या होता है कि कोई भी कैंडल को कंसिडर दिस एज वन ऑफ द कैंडल. Consider this is one of the candle. Okay. So this is one of the candle. Now it has okay. So it has this called as open price. This called as this called as open price. We are discussing about the green candle only now. So for the green candle, this is the open price. This is the close price. This is the high. And this is the low. Okay. So every candle has these 4 parameters: open, high, close, low. Okay. Suppose this is the green candle. Okay. Okay. Now it's looking good. So this is the green candle. So open, this is the open price, this is the close price, this is the high price, this is the low price. Okay. So in market, what actually happens? How this candle forms? Okay. So consider here market open. Okay. Here market open now. Okay. Then market went down. Okay. Then stock went up. make some high, and then it closes here. Okay, it closes here. So here it open, here it close, here it make high, and here it make low. Okay, so if you draw the candle, it will be like this. Understood, guys? Okay, open, close, high, low. So if we draw the candle of this pattern, it will be like this. Clear?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So this is for the green candle. Okay. For the red candle, new. For the red candle again, it will be this is the candle. So many. Then consider this week and this week. Okay. This is the red candle now. So now for the red candle, this is open. Okay, this is close. This is high, and this is low. Okay, so open price is always high for the red candle. Red candle means bearish candle. Okay, and it closed low. Suppose any stock open at 100 rupees. Okay. It closed at 95 rupees. Okay. It made low of 90 rupees. And it made high of 105. Okay, so these are the just prices I write here. So actually in the market, the chart will look like it is open here, it made high, again it went down, and it come here and close. Okay, so this is the open price, this is the closing price, this is the high, and this is the low. Okay, clear, guys? What is the bullish candle and what is bearish candle? Okay, so this is, yeah, so this is called as bullish and bearish candle. Okay, so each candle has 4 parameter, important parameter: open, high, low, close. That is very important. Okay, so now there are different type of candles. Okay, different type of candles. So we will see one by one the candle types. Okay, so now if you look at this chart, all the candles are not same. All the candles are not same. They are looking different. Okay, so we must know which candle is which type. Okay, so first candle is called as a doji. Okay, it is named as doji. D-O-J-I, doji. Okay, so in doji candle, normally what happens? The open price and the close price. Okay, they are same. Okay, they are same. Stock will make some high and stock will make some low. Okay, so open equal to close, but it will make high and it will make low. Means suppose stock open here, the bulls, they pulled the stock on upside. Then the bears, they came and they pulled the stocks on the downside. And again, they pull bulls, they make the stock up and close it here. Okay. So here open equal to close. Okay. So the candle will look like this. It will look like this. Okay. So this is open. This is close. This is high. And this is low. Okay. Suppose any stock is open at 100 rupees. Okay. So it is also closed at 100 rupees. So opening is equal to closing. It made high 105 rupees and it made low 95 rupees. So this is about the doji candle. So doji candle, what it represent? It represent indecision, confusion. Okay, it represent indecision. It represent confusion. Means open equal to close. Means bulls, they want to pull the stock up, but the bears, they pull the stock down. Again bulls, they pull the stock. So bull and bear both are in equal power here. Both are in equal power. Okay, that is why it is called as an indecision candle. So doji, it means confusion or indecision. Okay, it means confusion or indecision. So doji means okay, or confusion. Okay, guys. So doji candle, let us see how on the chart doji candle will be look like. Okay, so this candle is doji. Okay, this candle is doji. You will find another candle. This candle is one of the doji candle. Okay, this candle also a doji candle. This candle also a doji candle. Okay. Here also, this is also a doji candle. See, here also a doji candle. This one. So many doji candles. This one doji, doji, doji. Okay. So you will find lot of this doji type of candle. So this is about one of the candle which is called as a doji candle. Okay. In the doji there are some types. Okay. Some types means what happened? This is the normal doji. Okay. This is called as a normal doji candle. Means open equal to close. Okay. Sometimes this happens here. Okay. So here also open equal to close. But there is a no low. There is only high made. There is only high made. Okay. There is no low made. Means the stock will open. It will go up. Then the bear, they will come and they will push the stock down and the stock will close here. Okay. So this is the opening price, the high price, and this is the close price. Okay. So if we chart the candle, if we plot the candle, it will come like this. Okay. So this one is called as a gravestone doji. Okay, gravestone doji. This type of candle. So let us see this type of candle available on this chart or not. Okay. This is the candle. Okay. This is gravestone doji. Here is the gravestone doji candle. You can consider this one. Another one is gravestone doji. You can consider this one as, although not perfect, but somewhat. Okay, this one, somewhat. Okay. See here, this one is the gravestone. Okay. Okay, so gravestone doji, another candlestick pattern in this is the normal doji, this is the gravestone doji. Okay, there is another one more candlestick in the doji, which is called as butterfly. So just exactly reverse of this. Okay, so it will be like this, exactly mirror image. Okay, so open, close, and low. Okay, this is called as butterfly. Butterfly, dragonfly, many means they called. Okay, dragonfly. Okay.
Is it hammer?
No, not hammer. Okay, so here the stock price will open, it will make a low, again the price will come up and it will close. Okay, so open, low, and close. Okay, so open, low, close. Okay, so this is a bullish doji, this is a bearish doji, and this is normal doji where there is a confusion. Okay, so this is bearish, this is bullish, and this is still confusion doji. Okay, but all are the doji candles. Okay, so doji, any confusion in the doji candle now? So we will see any dragonfly or doji here on this chart. If any confusion, you can ask me directly. See, this is gravestone doji type. This one.
Sir, good evening, sir. Rahul here. Rahul.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I hear. Yes.
Sir, the thing is, it is for me at least, this doji. Can you go to that graphic which you have just mentioned, sir? The dragonfly and the gravestone. Yes. So the problem with this is, it is, say example, the top one is a bearish one, and the dragonfly is a bullish one.
Yes.
Problem with me is, I don't find this, when I check it in, in the graphs. Whenever I try to find this, that, either it will go up or down, it is difficult for me to find it, and then, take any action on basis of that. Because most of the time I find the other dojis, not the one which is very peculiar one, like, uh, 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 I mean, definitely the big green is very pertinent, or the bullish one, the bearish one is also pertinent. But these candles, which kinds of make a trigger, where the deciding factor is there. It is very difficult for us to, at least for me, to identify.
Rahul, if you see, look at the chart every day, na, you will
Uh-huh.
make a practice every day. Okay.
Okay.
At least look 10, 15 chart or 20 chart every day.
Okay.
You will come to know. Initially, when I learned the TA, I faced the same problem, like you are telling. Okay.
Correct, sir.
It was very difficult for me to identify the candle type also initially when I learned. Okay.
Correct, sir.
But now I easily identify all the candles. I easily identify all the patterns, everything. So with the practice, it will come to you. In 1 day or 2 days.
I have one more. Acha.
Yeah.
Okay. So one more dilemma I have. The dilemma is, sir, बस निकल जाता है. मतलब, वो candle form हो जाता है, and that doji forms, everything forms, and then, the thing is, that opportunity to get in or get out, gets missed out. So how to kind of, capitalize that opportunity?
No, that opportunity is the different thing. Okay. How to enter in the trade and how to exit in the trade, that opportunity is in advanced stage. Okay. First, we need to study the chart structure. Okay.
Okay.
Whether it is forming a bullish structure or whether it is forming a bearish structure. Okay. This is the chart structure only. And to understand the chart structure, we need to know the candlestick types. Okay. We need to know the candlestick type. What is exactly the candlestick story there happening? Okay. Like here, it was a doji here, indecision. Okay.
Absolutely. It's a gravestone.
If any doji occur at the resistance, okay. So consider this as a resistance line.
Okay.
If occur at the resistance, then it is called as one of the reversal pattern. Means here bulls, they want to pull the stock up, bears they again put it back.
Correct, sir.
And then reversal started.
Correct, sir.
So this doji is especially very important near support and resistance. Okay. So what is support? What is resistance? We will learn it, but first we will learn only what is the candles.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, but do practice every day. You will surely learn what is the candlesticks and all.
Right, sir. Okay. Right, sir. Sir, I'm just trying to jump the gun, but I'm sorry, but I can't hold myself. Sir, there's something called as a back testing. I mean, as you know, back testing is something, you have got enough of skill, to anticipate the future trend, right? Either it will go up or down,
Yes.
So can we do, so example, can we go into like, 1 month back and say, on one deciding day, we keep a cursor there, and then, we would kind of anticipate what will happen the next day or next week. And then, then we can actually validate with the whatever, I mean, one is our prediction, ki market upar jayega, niche jayega. And then, then we will compare it with what has happened.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. Back test is again advanced stage. Okay. So now what is the back test basically? Okay. So now this is the chart. Okay. This is the chart, total chart, overall chart. Now we don't know where to enter, how to enter, and nothing like that. Okay. But we know only one pattern. Okay. Suppose one pattern is, suppose I want to test only morning star on the Reliance. Okay, this is the Reliance chart.
Correct,
and I want to test only morning star.
Absolutely, sir.
Okay. So this is morning star pattern, one of the morning star. Okay.
Correct.
So red candle, doji candle, and green candle.
Absolutely.
So
Sir.
this
Right. Is a
called as
perfect example.
morning
Correct,
star.
sir.
Okay.
Correct.
So morning star, I will enter here. I
Huh.
will put the stop loss here.
Correct.
So you find around 100 morning star in Reliance. Okay.
Huh.
How many times your stop loss get hit? Okay. And how many times your target get hit? You can backtest this.
Correct.
Okay. So next time, whenever there is a morning star formation, you can, if your backtest is successful, you can take the entry.
Right. So,
Okay.
so आप सिखाएंगे आगे जाके
Yeah.
आगे जाके backtesting
Similarly, other type of the candlestick also you can do backtest.
Correct, sir. आगे जाके आप backtesting भी सिखाएंगे ना सर?
नहीं, मैं इतना एडवांस में नहीं सिखाऊंगा इधर.
अच्छा, okay, ठीक है. Okay, sir.
Only I will teach what is the candlesticks, what is the support resistance.
Because मैंने ऐसा मतलब मेरे को
some of the patterns. Okay.
Correct, sir.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes.
सर ये बैक टेस्टिंग मैन्युअली करना पड़ता है क्या?
हाँ, बैक टेस्टिंग मैन्युअली करना पड़ेगा अगर आपको प्रोग्रामिंग नहीं आएगा तो. ठीक है. तो हाँ, इसमें अभी ये क्लियर हो गया डोजी का. किसी को कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं है ना डोजी में क्या होता है? ओके. सो this is the normal doji, this is the gravestone doji, and this is the dragonfly doji. Okay. So 3 dojis. And you will find dojis like this on the chart. Okay. Like this. So now next candlestick is, next candlestick pattern is okay. This is called as a hammer. Okay. So here consider this as a green hammer. So whether it is a green hammer or whether it is a red hammer, both are the same. Okay. So green hammer means open here, close here. Okay. It made a low, but it doesn't made a high. Okay. So the chart will be like this. Open, stock went down, went down, went down. Then the bulls, they came, okay, and they pushed the price up and it is closed here. Okay. So here it is open, here it is a close, and here it is a low. Okay. So this is one of the bullish candle. So why it is bullish candle? Because the bears, they push the stock price down, but the bulls, they came and they pull the stock price up. Okay. So this is one of the bullish candle, hammer. Okay. So another hammer is red hammer, which is I consider as a, that one also I consider as a bullish candle, although it is a red. Okay. So this is red hammer. So in the red hammer, what is the open price? Okay, it will open here, it will close here, it will make a low, it will make a low. Okay, so how the chart will be? Stock will open here, stock will went down, the bulls, they will come and they will close it here. Okay, so open, low, and this is the close. Okay, open, low, close. So this is also one of the hammer. Okay, this is also hammer. But for me, both the hammers are, I called it as a bullish. Okay. Although one is green, one is red, because in the stock market, suppose this is the chart now. So we will see where is the hammer here. Basically. So this is hammer or not? Just focus. Okay, this is hammer. Okay, this is hammer. So another hammer. This is also you can consider as a hammer. It is a red hammer also. So another chart. HDFC. Here is one of red hammer. I am not getting any good hammer. Maybe on a weekly time frame I will get some. Okay. So this is one of the hammer. Okay. So hammer is the bullish. After that, price normally went up. Okay. Also, this is a red hammer, but price went up. Here the price is little bit high, so I will not call this as a hammer. This is hammer. Okay. This one. Okay. This one is also hammer. Okay. So hammer are two type now. Okay. So this is the bullish hammer. Another hammer is bearish hammer. Okay. So here, if so what is the open here? This is open, this is close, and this is high. Okay, so this hammer is a bearish hammer. Okay, the stock will open here, it will make high, again it will go down and it will close. Open, close. Okay, so this is bearish. Okay, another hammer is the red hammer. Okay, this is the red hammer. This is the red hammer. So what is happening here? This is open, this is close, this is high. Okay, so price will, market will open here, it will go high. The bears, they will push down the market and it will close here. Okay, so open, close, and high. Okay, so this one is the bullish, this one also bullish, this one bearish, and this one also bearish. Okay, so when this hammer and this hammer occur at the support, support, this is the support line, and here it formed the hammer. Okay, so then it is highly chance the price will went up from there. Okay, and when this hammer and this hammer, okay, form at the resistance line, suppose this is the resistance line and this hammer is formed there. Okay. This hammer, okay, it is formed here, so it is high chance the price may went down from there. Okay, so there is an importance of each candlestick, especially near support and resistance zone. Okay, if they form near support and resistance zone, the price pattern they changes. Okay, so these things we need to know. Okay, so today how many candlesticks we learn? We learn doji, all types of doji, greystone doji, dragonfly doji, and normal doji. Okay, and we learn hammer. Okay, so this four, I will stop now here. You can learn this candle from the charts. Try to find the chart from the charts. Okay, tomorrow we will again cover 2-3 types of candlestick pattern. Okay, so before stopping, this is the website investing.com. Here you can go and draw the candlestick pattern from here, and from here you can change the time also. So this time maybe 1 minute also. Okay. You can change the time from whatever the time frame you want, you can change. So here 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 month, 1 week, everything is here. Okay. If you
Sir,
want,
Rahul here.
yes.
So whenever the closing is less than the opening, it is a bearish candle, correct, sir?
Bearish.
And whenever the opening is higher than the closing,
yeah,
it is a bullish candle, correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, okay. But note down this candle, hammer, and the other types of the candle. Okay, and try to study this candle, importance and all that. And if you want to learn other thing, important thing, then this is the best source. Zerodha candlestick.
Okay, sir.
Zerodha Veracity.
Okay.
Everything is mentioned here. Excellent. This one.
Okay, sir. Okay.
If you want, I can post this link in the Telegram.
Right, sir.
Can go
So
from-
zero the varsity is good for candlestick or for other things as well.
other thing as well. Everything.
Okay.
This is the university for the trading.
ठीक है sir. Okay sir.
Okay, other things as well. So I recorded today's session. I post the recording in Telegram. You can watch anytime. Okay.
Right, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Okay guys, thank you. So कल मिलते हैं फिर दूसरे कैंडल।
Thank
Sir.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye, sir.
Bye.
Buti-buti ko na,